We want to find the value of x, given that you have this problem. So let's have it in solution. Then from here, let's remember that when you have a plus b all in brackets multiplied by a minus b all in brackets, this equals as a square minus b square. So by applying it to this expression, where our a is 11 and our b is x, so this implies that we're going to have 11 square minus x square to be equals roots of 121 minus x. Then mind you, this equivalent to 11 times 11, we have it to be 121 minus x square to be equals roots of 121 minus x. Then from here, 121 is here and here. Okay, let's 121 to be equals t. Then this implies that we have from here to be t minus x square to be equals square root of t, this, minus x. The next thing we want to do is we want to eliminate this. Let's take the square of both sides. Then this will cancel this. When we take the expansion of this one, we are going to have this to be t square minus 2tx square plus x square all in bracket to the power of 2 equals t minus x. Then from here, we are going to have this as t square minus 2tx square plus x to the power of 4 equals t minus x. Let's rearrange the expression. Let's take this to this side. Then we are going to have it to be t square. So we're going to have it to be t square minus 2t x square plus x to the power of 4. When this one comes here, will be minus t plus x. We have everything to be equals 0. Then we have t to the power of 2. T is common here, t is common here. So when we factor minus t outside, then the whole of this divided by minus t, we're going to have only 2x squared. This minus t divided by this minus t, we have plus 1. Then let's take and this together, plus x to the power of 4 plus x equals 0. You can see we have this in terms of quadratic format, where we have, when you have quadratic general expression as a x squared plus bx plus c to be equal 0. Then the coefficient of x squared here is a. The coefficient of t squared here is 1, so we have our a to be equals 1. Then the coefficient of x here is b. Then the coefficient of t here is minus 2x squared plus 1. So we have our b to be equals minus outside, where we have 2x squared plus 1. Then our c will be the constant one, this x to the power of 4 plus x. Then we want to get the value of t from here. So we can say t will now be equals minus b, positive or negative, root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So definitely our t will be equals minus b. Already our b is minus here. It's minus. Definitely here will be plus. So we're going to have it to be 2x squared plus 1. Then positive or negative, square root of this b will now be square here. So definitely we have it as this minus into 2x squared plus 1. Then we close it again, all square, then minus 4 Our a is 1, we have it to be 4, multiplied by c, our c equals this, x squared, x to the power of 4, plus x. Then all divided by 2 times a. Our a is 1, so we have it as this. Then we have everything to be equals t. Then let's see. So this is what we have that equivalent to this. Then let's simplify this expression. We have here to be 2x squared plus 1, then positive or negative, square root of this will be plus. Then when you take the expansion of this one, we are going to have it to be 4x to the power of 4 plus 1 plus 4x squared. When you expand this one, you're going to have this. Then when you open the bracket, this one, we're going to have it to be minus 4x to the power of 4, then minus 4x, so all divided by 2. So mind you that everything here equals t. So from here, look at this expression. This and this will cancel. So we are going to have t to be equals 2x squared plus 1, then positive or negative, root of, we only have this, 4x squared, then minus 4x plus 1, then all divided by 2. So we have t to be equals 2x squared plus 1, then positive or negative, roots of this expression we see here can be simplified to be as, when you have 2x all to the power of 2, this, we can also have this as 2 into 2x. Then we can also have 1 to be plus 1 square. Then all divided by 2. So we have this as t to be equals 2x squared plus 1, positive or negative, roots of, when you have this, we can have it as 2x minus 1 all to the power of 2, then divided by 2. Mind you, this and this will cancel. So we are going to have t to be equals 2x squared plus 1, positive or negative, 2x minus 1, then divided by 2. Then from here, we have two options. We have first t to be equals 2x squared plus 1. Let's take plus 2x minus 1 divided by 2. Let's call this one first one. Again, we also have t to be equals 2x squared plus 1, then minus into, when we take minus into 2x minus 1, we close the bracket, all divided by 2. But let's go along with this one first. So from here we have t to be equals 2x squared, this and this will cancel, plus 2x divided by 2. We have 2 to be equals, 2 is common here, we have 2 into, this divided by 2, we have only x squared left. This divided by 2, we have only x divided by 2. So this will cancel this. Then we are going to have t to be equals x squared plus x. But note then that we say we should let our t to be equals 121. So definitely we have x squared plus x to be equals this t, which equals 121. Then from here, we can have this as x squared plus x minus 121 to be equals 0. Let's solve this quadratically to get the value of x. So this equals 0. Then from here, let's use quadratic formula s equals minus b, positive or negative, root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. where we have our a to be equals 1, the coefficient of x squared, then our b to be equals the coefficient of x 1, then our c equals constant, which equals minus 1 to 1. Let's plug in everything here. We are going to have our x to be equals, here will be definitely be 1, it's minus, it will be minus 1, positive or negative, root of this 1 square will be 1, minus 4, a is 1, multiplied by c is minus 1 to 1, all divided by 2. So we have our x to be equals minus 1, positive or negative, roots of 1. From here, this will be plus, minus times minus will be plus, 4 times 1 to 1 will be 484. Then all divided by 2. Then we have our x to be equals minus 1, positive or negative, root of, from here, 1 plus 484 will be 485 divided by 2. Then when you now press this here, we must set condition for x, that x is minus 11 less than x, and x must less than 11 because of the problem given to us. So therefore, from here we have the first x to be equals x1 minus 1, or let's say x equals minus 1 plus root of 485 divided by 2. Then we also have another x to be equals minus 1 minus root of 485 divided by 2. Then when you press this, we have our x to be equals 10.5. When you press this one, we have our x to be equals minus 11.5. So from this condition, we can see that we are going to reject this because minus 11.5 is greater than this. So we take this. Then also, let us also recall from the second problem. So from here, we can declare that we have x1 to be equals 10.5. Then secondly, let's recall that we also have t to be equals 2x squared plus 1 minus 2x minus 1 all divided by 2. Then we have t to be equals 2x squared plus 1. Minus times this will be minus 2x. Minus times this will have it to be plus 1. Then all divided by 2. So we have this as this. We have our t to be equals 2x squared minus 2x plus 2 divided by 2. 2 is common here. We have 2 to be equals 2x squared minus x plus 1 divided by 2. This and this we cancel. So definitely we have our t to be equals x squared minus x plus 1. But note that our t equals 121. From here, we are going to have x squared minus x plus 1 equals 121. By taking this one to this side, we have x squared minus x plus 1 minus 121 equals 0. Then you have x squared minus x minus 1 minus plus 1 minus 121. We have it to be minus 20 equals 0. Now solving this one quadratically, we are going to have our x again to be equals 1 positive or negative roots of 481 divided by 2. Then when you also solve this, for the first one, when you have 1 plus square root of 481 divided by 2. Secondly, when you also have 1 minus square root of 481 divided by 2 as the value of x. Pressing this one, we are going to have x to be equals 11.46. Pressing this one, we're going to have x to be equals minus 10.46. And we set a condition that's minus 11 less than x less than 11. So from here, we can see that we have 11.46, which is greater than 11, and x must less than 11. Therefore, We didn't go along with this. Minus 10.4, that means this is less than minus 11, and minus 11 less than x. So therefore, we pick this as well. So finally, we can say we have our x, the respective value of x1 equals 10.51, then x2 equals minus 10.46. If you are new here and find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more maths tutorial videos. Bye bye.